Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new. My name is Shar. This is Dollars into Dreams. I am a cash budgeter, paycheck to paycheck budgeter. I still do a monthly overview, and in my budgeting system, I use sinking funds, and I also stuff my wallet with my cash envelope money. That is my everyday spending money. All of that is helping me to pay off debt as quickly as possible, so eventually one day I can be debt free. That is what this channel is all about. So today's video, I need to update you guys, or I'm going to update you guys on my Q2 numbers for my debt. So if this is the type of content that you like, I hope that you continue to watch. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Okay, friends, so I'm going to move my calculator over here because we're not ready for that yet. So this is Q2. This is for April, May, and June. My starting balance, which was what I ended with in March, was $245,806.69. Now, this also does include my mortgage. I know some people focus on their debt without including their mortgage, but in my eyes, it is debt. It literally is debt. Good debt, bad debt, however you want to look at it. So I'm including that here as well. Okay, so for my Discover credit card, this is at 0% interest. The starting balance for April was $8,438.51, and I paid $2,971.54. And of course, it's 0% interest. And so my ending balance is $5,787.52. Mohila number 2, and it starts with 2 because I've paid off Mohila number 1. We started with $1,275.88. I have since made 2 payments on my student loans. This one right now does not have a payment, so it did gain $17.01 in interest. So the balance is $1,292.89. Mohila number 3, we started with $1,431.66. This does not have a payment, so we gained $19.29 in interest, which means we have $1,450.95 is the new balance. Mohila number 4, we started with $4,588.18. We made a payment of $64.40. That's for 2 months. The interest from the $64 was $43.78. So my new balance is $4,567.56. Mohila number 5, we started with $5,057.33. This was no payment, which means we gained $56.22 in interest. So our ending balance is $5,113.55. Mohila number 6, we started with $5,543.14. We paid $97.54. Of that, $21.36 went to interest. So the ending balance is now $5,466.96. Mohila number 7, we started with $6,031.10. We paid $132, and of that amount, $27.67 went to interest. So our new balance is $5,958.45. Mohila number 8, we started with $10,369.81. We paid $145.26. And of that, $98.79 went to interest. So that made our new balance $10,323.34. Mohila number 9, we paid $163.80. Of that, $111.39 went to interest. So our new balance is $11,616.15. And then our last Mohila is, we started with $22,438.68. We paid $283.20. Of that, $182.38 went to interest. And we are left with $22,337.86. Okay, so then on to Navient. We started with $3,775.73. We paid, now this one we started paying in April, so this is 3 months of payments. We paid $126.15. Of that, $55.65 went to interest. And so that left us with $3,705.23. Navient number 2, we started with $7,008.34. We paid $264, and of that amount, $91.28 went to interest, and that left us with $6,898.98. Navient number 3, we started with $7,550.47. We paid $213 even, and of that, $111.54 went to interest, and that left us with $7,449.01. Then Navient number 4 started with $10,419.82. We paid $252.33. And of that amount, $154.21 went to interest. And that leaves our new balance at $2,321.70. Okay, and then my last debt is my mortgage. So for 3 months, I paid $3,695.22. And of that, $2,231.71 went to interest. So that makes my new balance $139,675.82. Okay, so there's that. I do know that on my Discover card, I had to put, I think it was like a $300 and something charge on here. So this should have decreased by this amount. It did not, and that is the discrepancy. So let me total up real quick the ending balance. Nope, let's total up how much our total payment was. Let's do that first. Okay, So I made a total payments for 3 months of $8,313.40. And if I subtract the mortgage payment, we paid a little over $4,600 towards consumer debt. Okay, and then the total amount of interest. I'm gonna do the total amount. What? Yep, we're just gonna add it all up. I was trying to figure out how to. Okay, so total interest was $3,222.28. Okay, so now let me total the ending balance. Okay, so the total ending balance for my debt is $241,965.97. So if I subtract that amount from my beginning balance, we paid a total of $3,840.72. This is the total paid. Okay, so going into it, this is my starting balance for July. And if you're new here, my focus is this Discover credit card. And I have some things working in the background, and I believe by the end of August, I can have this $5,700 paid off. That will be amazing. And then once that is paid off, then we're gonna focus on student loans, and we're going to start the student loans with the smallest to the largest. So it will be Mohila number 2, and then we're going to focus on Mohila number 3, and then we'll do Navient number 1, and then we'll go back to Mohila. That is my goal. Also, my goal is to at least pay off 2 to 3 student loans, if not 4, by the end of this year. So if I can get 3 of these paid off, that will be amazing. I will be in so much better shape with my debt. I will be under 200 and what will that be? Almost under 230,000. If I can get my Discover and 3 to 4 student loans paid off, that will be amazing. So that is where we stand for the end of quarter 2. And I know what my numbers are going into quarter 3. And I know my goal for quarter 3 is, let's see. So my goal for quarter 3, why am I writing it on the back? I don't know. So my goal for quarter 3 is to pay off Discover. My other goal is to pay off 2 to 3 student loans. That's the goal. Oh, wait a minute. No. July, August, no. I won't be able to do that. I'm thinking the end of the year. So my goal is to pay off 1 student loan in quarter 3. And then hopefully by Q4, I can pay off a couple more. So that is my focus. I thank you guys for tuning in. If you're not subscribed, I hope you hit the subscribe button. And I thank you for watching the video. Like, comment, share this video, and I will see you guys in a future video. Until then, have a wonderful day. Bye.